pearl of Eastern Hokkaido. Red crown cranes at Kushiro Marsh are a must-see. Visit peaceful old shrines like Kushiro Hachimangu and don't miss one of the main attractions here, food! The famous all-around Japan restaurant Izumiya serves unique teppan spaghetti served on an iron skillet. Looks yummy, doesn't it? Kushiro is a port fisherman city where you can enjoy the night ocean view from the romantic spot number 1, Nusamai Bridge. Take a walk along the piers to watch the sculptures of modern art, illumination on the boats, and night lights of the city. You like shopping? Or just want to buy some Hokkaido souvenirs? Washio Market, located at the Kushiro station, is the best place for you to go. Right at the market, you can not only buy stuff, but also treat yourself with famous fresh seafood taken right from the ocean. Choose it and grill it yourself. And the most famous treat here is so-called kattedon. It's a rice bowl which you can take with you along the stalls, choosing whatever toppings you wish. Have fun!